Peter, you okay, my friend? You're gonna be okay. Take it easy, okay? Good boy. Look at this guy. Would you look at this guy? he's nervous. A little bit. But he's a good boy. You'll be alright, my friend. You cool? That's a good boy right there. Would you look at him? Would you look at him? Look at him. Look at this. Look at this boy. Oh my God. Look at this boy. He's cool. He just likes to be outside once in a while. Got his leash on and he's okay. Peter. You're gonna be okay, my friend. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be a good boy. You're gonna be a good boy. He's just a little bit nervous. First time he's been outside. That's why. He's alright. He's gonna get used to it. We want him to have more fun. So yeah, that's why. I want to give him a shot. We want Peter to have fun. Peter, you okay, boy? You're a good boy. I'll tell you that. He's a little bit shocked because he was always indoor. When I adopted him, I think he was indoor too. It's the first time I want to show him outside. He's a little bit nervous, I would say. New to the outside. This is my... It's not gonna be outside, it's just a yard. But yeah. I leash him out. He has a leash, so he's fine. He's not gonna go anywhere. He's just like that. He's excited. He's not running around, he's just excited, a little bit confused, and maybe just thinking, like, what is this? You're gonna be okay, my friend. You're gonna be alright, you're gonna be okay, you're gonna be okay, you're gonna be a good boy, you're gonna be a good boy. It's my boy. It's a good boy. I'm just gonna be with him whenever he's out. Not gonna let him go out like that, like without the leash. Just gonna be with him every time I'm gonna bring him outside. Yeah. Alright, my friend, you take it easy, alright? You're gonna have fun. Peace.